Hi, welcome back to Oaks and Dreams. So behind me is a dormant fig tree. So if you look back on one of my previous videos here, I went through how to propagate a fig tree from a fig tree. So I went through those steps. That was 4 weeks ago, and as you can see, we still don't have any leaves on this fig tree. If I look closely, you can see some small little greeneries starting to bloom. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. No. They're starting to bloom a little bit, but they have not gone into a full leaf just yet. So I'm going to show you the tree that we propagated, one of them anyways, that we propagated 4 weeks ago. And here he is. Isn't he cute? He's beautiful. So he has been under my grow lights in my seedling trays with my other pepper and tomato plants. I have 3 or 4 of his friends. I'm so proud of him. He grew really straight and his roots are phenomenal. So if you want your own fig tree and you have a friend that has a fig tree, go look at my video. I'll show you how to propagate one so you can have your own fig tree in your yard. Remember, they are self-fertile. You only need one, and the figs are really phenomenal. This is a brown turkey fig. So the figs are fairly large and they are super sweet. They taste phenomenal. And within a couple of years, you will have figs growing on this tree. In the past, I have grown these for friends and families, and I have my mother-in-law's tree. One day I'll get a picture of it. It was started just like this one, and she gets figs on it, and it's a beautiful tree in her yard. Thank you for coming along. Please like and subscribe if you want to continue to get videos like this, and I will show you the world of gardening as I learn it myself. Have a good one.